In this video, you are going to see how to raise a number to a power in Microsoft Excel. I can apply a power formula. Let us write some number over here. Click on equal sign and apply the power formula. Now click on the number, click on the comma and apply the power. I want to apply the power 2 and close the bracket and hit enter and drag it down. And here is the 3 power 3 is 9, 5 power 5 is 25. If I want to change it, just click on over here and I can change the power from here. If you want to write this type, this is also possible. Let me write here 2 and 3. Let us increase the font size. Now to write this type, click on over here, change the cell formatting to text. Now select the 3, click on right button, go to format cell and click on superscript and click on OK. Then here is the outcome. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.